I already know that a lot of people made a video about this. For example, Spooky Look made a video on how to load the workshop maps, but for some reason when I load the console and I run the command, it doesn't execute it, so it doesn't work for me. And I have seen a lot of people having this trouble. So what I found is a very old-fashioned way solution. So basically all you have to do is create an image file, certain image file, and then you also download the workshop map. And then you make sure that the ending is UPK instead of UDK. If it's already like that, don't move it. And then you place it in a folder that you remember, and then you install it from inside the bakkesmod plugin inside Rocket League, and that's basically it. So that's what I'm about to show you. You could think about it and make something specific, but I just want you to spot what's the example that we are doing. I'm just gonna make a yellow square, but feel free to do whatever you want. And when I say that you can draw anything, you can literally draw anything. It doesn't matter what size it is. It could be 1 pixel and you can still save the image. Or it could be 2000 pixels tall and wide. It doesn't really matter as long as it has the termination of JPG. I think it's pronounced like that. In this case, I'm saving it in a very simple and short path. It's the local disk. And as you can see, here's our yellow pixel that we just saved. Now, have that exact same folder in mind is not necessary, but well, now we are going to go to download the map from the bakkesmod plugins. Be careful, plugins, and we are going to choose these air dribble hoops. And well, the path is really simple. Here I can show it to you. I chose this air dribble hoops map because I know the termination is UDK instead of UPK, and I'm going to show you that if I modify it, it doesn't really matter. Now we need the UPK file, but we cannot just move it out of the folder of the zip file. We have to first extract it all, and then after we extract it, you can see that it says, well, I'm going to place it here in the folders, in the very outside folder. And here you can see that it says UDK. It has to say UPK. If it doesn't say UPK, you can just rename it, and you can just rename it and change the extension, the termination of this file, and it's not going to break, don't worry. Just in this case. We are almost there, almost finished. Now we just need to start bakkesmod and Rocket League without the easy anti-cheat. Now I want you to press F2 just to check in the plugins tab, in the plugins manager. I wanna see if you have the 223 plugin, which is the workshop map loader. Make sure that you have it installed and that you have it checked, that you have it enabled, so we can open it with F3. Well, in this case, I'm gonna open it from the plugin manager so we don't get lost in here. And now we can close this. Now we have to add it manually. And now, well, I'm gonna refresh the maps just so you can tell which maps I have. We don't have the yellow map yet. We don't have the pixel image yet, so we are gonna add it. I'm gonna name it yellow. I hope you remember where you save this image and this map file. I'm gonna rename everything here to yellow so we can tell, just for example. And now we select the file, we select the folder, and now we select the UPK file for the map file. And for the image file, we select the yellow pixel that we did earlier. We select it, and now we have everything in place. And now we just create the map, and we just add it, and we refresh, and that's it. Now we can play it. And this is how I added every single map I have in here, and as you can see, and it works. It didn't get corrupt. It didn't break, even though I renamed it to UPK. So that's it.